Going to try something different this morning while waiting on the next sets. Went to House Hoops this morning. Copped the red Foamposites. A lot of people are off these because we're chasing the infrareds. Got a pack of the infrareds in the truck already. I had to cop the red foams, the cough drops as they're known. Basically the blacks with a bright red cough drop looking sole. Nothing unusual about these right here. Not a lot of people are on them. I was. Had to get a couple more pairs for some guys out of town. I think eventually people will like these. Granted, they're not the bright red Ferraris that we all wanted. Seen these, done these before. Additional red is wonderful to have as opposed to the greens and some of the others from days gone by. Glad I got my pairs. Or in this case, several pairs. Holding down some other guys. Hopefully all the road sounds won't annoy y'all. I'll decide to post this later on if I like it or not, etc. See if I can strip that out. There's your little penny. Good shoe all in all. Very happy with it. Long term, I think people are going to come back and say, man, I wish I would have got a pair. Got mine, got a few. Those who I copped for, they will be in the mail this morning.